Hey there amazing viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something truly unique and slightly mischievous in store for you. In this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to hide your replies on threads. Trust me, it's going to be an epic tutorial. Alright guys, let's dive into the exciting tutorial now. So you may have noticed that sometimes you just want to hide your replies on threads. You know, for those moments when you said something you probably should not have, or when you need a quick escape from an embarrassing situation. Well, today I'm going to show you that how to do just that. Now go ahead and open the thread where you have your replies. Remember folks, it's crucial to pick up the right thread to pull off this hide your replies magic. And this is where the fun begins. I'm going to show you the secret feature that may be hidden for you. If I tap on these three dots, I will get these three options, which are mute, hide, block, and report. And if I tap on the hide button, the thread gets hidden, but my reply does not. The only way to hide it is to just tap on these three dots and just delete the reply that you have posted on the thread. Alright, at this point, I hope you all have realized that this tutorial is just a little prank. Unfortunately, there's no magic button to hide your replies on threads. It's all just good old-fashioned humor and creativity. But hey, let's have some fun with this anyway. Let me know in the comments if you fell for the prank, and don't worry, we all have playful moments. If you enjoyed this hilarious tutorial, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to see if they fall for it too. So that's it for today folks. I hope you had a great time laughing along with me. Remember, it's essential to take life lightly and share some love now and then. Thanks for being such amazing viewers, and I'll see you in the next real tutorial video. Subscribe to my channel for more genuine and prank-free tutorials. Stay tuned, stay awesome, and remember, pranks make the world go around.